Hey you all, my name is Ananya Dalmia, and for today's video I will be sharing my story time as to how I got to wax burn and how did I cure it and everything, what products did I use, and also how did it happen. So I actually went to this place called Signature Salon in Dehradun. It's near Pacific Mall, and so I've actually been there only once, and that was like 2 years ago. And that time when I went there, I only got my eyebrows done, and the lady which actually did my eyebrows, she did it pretty good. So this time, me and my friend, we actually both went there to get our eyebrows done, and this lady who actually did my eyebrows before, she was not there. So there were two other girls, I would say. So one of them did my eyebrows, and trust me, I'm not really satisfied with my eyebrows currently. I know you wouldn't see a difference, but I do. So actually they were a lot bad before. So the girl that actually did my eyebrow, she left it undone and then she went away, like I don't know where, and she never came back. And after that, I actually did not have any plan to get my upper lips done. Whole time I was actually thinking ki, should I get my upper lips done or not, or should I just go and buy a razor? So the thing that I actually forgot to bring my razor, and also I literally had no plans to get my upper lips done because I was actually planning to buy a razor, but I don't know what went on my mind. I got my upper lips done. Like, trust me, I don't really go for razors for my upper lips. Like, I have done it here and there once and it's not bad, but I prefer wax over razors when I'm doing my upper lips. So I was like, it's okay, I'm just gonna get my upper lips done by wax. So I asked the lady to do my upper lips, and trust me, she wasn't at all, I would say, trained, because I have got it done like multiple times, so I know how it's done. So first of all, she was like putting wax over hair and then removing it, and then she was putting wax over hair and then removing it, and the same goes on this side, and the middle part, it was left, so she did it at the last, and still there was a lot of hair over hair and hair. So I asked her to do that. So it was like 4 times and again 4 times, because sorry, 4 times and again 2 times, because hair and hair, sorry, 7 times. So total she put wax on me 7 times. So I don't really know why she did that. And you should just get it done in one swipe, like how it's actually done, I suppose, because that's how every other person has did it on me. So I suppose that's how it's done. You should not be putting a lot of wax over and over again. I suppose she put some kind of oil after waxing. I really don't know why she put on oil. She should have put like aloe vera gel or something, but again, never mind. So when she put on some oil or whatever it was on my upper lips, I felt a bit itchy, but then I didn't really think anything of it, because and my this area was like all red, which usually doesn't happen. Like my upper lips don't really go red by waxing, but I didn't really think anything of it. I was like, it might be because something, I don't know. I mean, I didn't really think anything of it. So when I left that place, I continued feeling a burning sensation over here. When I was smiling or something, my area felt very itchy and burnt. So when I came back home, I actually got to know that it's like a wax burn, and the next day it actually turned like into a light brown color. Like, I have a video of it, and I'll no, actually on the day that I came back and the next day I didn't really film anything because I wasn't really feeling it, and so I do not have any clip of the day and the next day. And also so the next day I called them up and told them that I got a wax burn, and it was not just me. My friend actually got a wax burn too. So I called them up and I told them ki, I've got a wax burn and what should I do. So she wasn't at all sorry, and she just told us ki, you can come at a place and we will do something. So I was like, we live very very far away and we cannot come. So she was like, okay, I mean, then just go and apply some aloe vera gel. I mean, that was it. And also she said like it may be because your skin must be sensitive. I mean, first of all, my skin was not sensitive. Second of all, you're trying to say that me and my friend got wax burn because both of our skins are sensitive and it wasn't your fault. I mean, that's insane and that's really lame. And I'm so freaking angry right now because she was trying to play like I didn't do anything part and it wasn't a mistake. And I mean, that was all she said, and she was not at all sorry, and she just cut the call. That was it. That was totally lame because neither is my skin sensitive nor is her skin sensitive, and we both got wax burn. I mean, their service and everything is like 1 out of 10, and I don't even know why I'm giving them 1. I mean, 1 because they didn't cut my eyebrows. Trust me, that's why I'm giving them 1 point. Yeah. Okay, so I will be inserting some clips of my 3rd day, my 4th day, and what skincare did I do. So on the 3rd day I actually filmed it and my skin felt a bit comfortable, so I kept applying Vaseline, and I did apply coconut oil once but it didn't really work, and I also tried to apply aloe vera gel, but whenever I was applying aloe vera gel I felt a burning sensation, so I didn't really go with aloe vera gel. I kept on applying Vaseline because I was comfortable with it and it didn't really feel itchy. So yeah, that's that. And I was also using hyaluronic. On the first 2 days I didn't really go on that portion with hyaluronic, and on the 4th day my burnt skin, it actually came off, and like there's still a very little like minute bit of redness over here, but I think that it will go away with time. I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys cannot see it because I'm wearing makeup right now, but it is there and I feel like it will go away with time. So yeah, that's that. And overall, will I go to that place again? Never ever in my life. I mean, it was literally the worst experience. So yes, that is it for the video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.